Hello everyone, it's Commander Matt. So today we're going to learn how to make a lunch for your Bachelor Merit. And so it's just going to be a simple lunch. It's going to be a peanut butter sandwich with some jelly on it. And so let us begin.
Okay, so to begin, we want to make sure we wash our hands and get all our supplies that we need all ready to prepare to make a sandwich, and have every item out: your peanut butter, your bread, your jelly if you want to put jelly on it, and then whatever else you're going to have to go with it. So now let us begin with taking our 2 pieces of bread, putting them out on the plate, and then grabbing your peanut butter and jelly if you want jelly on it, and getting that stuff ready to put on to the 2 pieces of bread. So first you start off here with taking your peanut butter, scooping it up some on your butter knife, and then you're going to want to spread it around on your piece of bread. And then sometimes you may need to go back to the peanut butter container and get a little bit more peanut butter because it may not be enough. And then we're going to continue to spread the peanut butter around until there's an even layer on one side of the bread. Now we get ready to take the jelly and put it on the opposite side of where you put the peanut butter, and just make sure you spread it around in an even layer like you did the peanut butter. And then once you get done with that, you can continue on to the next step, which is putting it together. Now we put our sandwich together and get out what we are going to have to eat with our sandwich. Today what I'm having is a handful of red peppers, so I'm going to get them out of my plastic bag here and put whatever I don't use into a plastic bag and put them back in the refrigerator to keep them nice and fresh. And then what you need to do is get out whatever you're going to have to drink, whether it's going to be milk, water, or juice, and pour yourself a nice glass of milk, or juice, or water. And there you go, you just made your lunch for your Bachelor Merit, and now you can go do it for your family.
Alright everyone, so you've just learned how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So now you can go help your family make lunch for a day. But as we end, we're going to end off with prayer. But before we do, if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to contact either myself, Commander Greg, Commander Zach, or Commander Tim. We're all here to help you guys. And then, let's end with prayer. God, thank you for allowing us to have such a wonderful day today, and being able to teach these boys new things in the Bachelor Merit, and let us be able to learn what we have learned, and be able to continue to learn from these videos, and let them be able to continue to use what they are learning in these videos to help their parents, to help their family, and be able to better themselves in life. And God, thank you for allowing us to be able to have such a wonderful platform to reach out to the boys every week that we can. And God, I pray that you Keep them, guard them, and guide them through their tough times. In your name I pray. Amen. So have a good day, everyone. This is Commander Matt, signing off.